Good afternoon, children. Today let me learn about the topic grouping of elements based on electronic configuration. In modern periodic table, the elements are organized in 7 periods and 18 groups based on modern periodic law. So according to the modern periodic law, that periodic table elements organized by totally 7 periods, 18 groups. Okay, 7 periods and 18 groups. The placement of element in the periodic table closely related to its outer shell electronic configuration. So outer shell electronic configuration 1, it occupies first block elements. Outer electronic configuration 2, it occupies second block elements, like that. Okay, so let us analyze the change in electronic configuration element along the periods and down the groups. Now let me learn variation of electronic configuration along the periods. Each period start with a element having general outer electronic configuration NS1 and end with NS2 NP6. N is the period number. The first period start with the filling of valence electron NS, which can accommodate only 2 electron. Okay, so the first period start with the filling of valence electron 1s orbital. That 1s orbital accommodate only 2, s orbital occupy only 2 electron. Hence the first period has only 2 elements, namely hydrogen and helium. The second period start with the filling of valence electron in 2s orbital, followed by 2p orbital with 8 elements from lithium to neon. Lithium to neon, that elements group is second period. The third period start with the filling of valence electron in 3s orbital, followed by 3p orbital. Fourth period start with the filling of valence electron from 4s orbital, followed by 3d and 4p orbital according to the Alpha principle. In fourth period, the filling of 3d orbitals start with scandium and end with zinc. 3d orbital, totally 10 elements. That elements are called first transition series. 3d orbitals elements are called first transition series. 4d orbital elements are called second transition series. 5d orbitals are called elements are called third transition series. 60 orbitals elements are called fourth transition series. In the sixth period, the filling of valence electrons start with the 6s orbital, followed by 4f, 5d and 6p orbital. The filling of a 4f orbital begin with cerium, end with lutetium. These 14 elements constitute the first inner transition series. That inner transition series is called lanthanides. Similarly, the seventh period is 5f orbital. It is 14 elements constitute the second inner transition series, that is called actinides. 2 series placed separately at the bottom of the periodic table. Next, let me learn variation of electronic configuration in groups. Elements of a group have similar electronic configuration in the outer shell. Okay. So, general outer electronic configuration for 18 groups listed. Okay. So, the groups can be combined S, P, D and F log elements on the basis of the orbital in which the last valence electron enter. The elements group 1 and group 2 are called S log elements. So group 1 and 2 are called S log elements since the last valence electron enter into the NS orbital. The group 1 elements are called alkali metals. Group 2 elements are called alkaline earth metals. Okay, so group 1 and 2 elements are called S block elements. So these S-block elements are soft metal. They possess low melting and boiling point with low ionization enthalpy. S-block elements are highly reactive and form ionic compounds. Then that S-block elements are highly electropositive in nature. Okay, electropositive in nature. Most of the elements imparts color to the flame. The elements of group 13 to 18 are called P-block elements or representative elements. P-block elements also known as representative elements. The general electronic configuration is NS2, NP 1 to 6. The element of group 16 and 17 are called chalcogen and halogens respectively. So 16th group are called chalcogens, 17th group are called halogens. The elements of 18th group contain completely filled valence electron NS2, NP6. 18th group elements are completely filled electronic configuration NS2, NP6. That 18th group elements are called inert gas or noble gas. The elements of P block have high negative electron gain enthalpy. Okay. So the ionization energy is higher than that of S block elements. Comparing to S block, P block ionization energy is higher. They are mostly covalent compound and shows more than one oxidation state in their compounds. Okay. So the element of the group 3 to 12 are called D block elements or transition elements. That transition elements general electronic configuration is NS 1 to 2, N minus 1 D 1 to 10. This D block elements show more than one oxidation state and form ionic compound, covalent compound and coordination compound. D block elements form three types of compounds: ionic compound, covalent compound, coordination compound. They can form interstitial compounds and alloys which can also act as catalysis. So these D block elements are act as catalyst. So these elements have high melting point, are good conductors of heat and electricity. The next inner transition series, that is lanthanides and actinides. The lanthanides 4F1 to 14, 5D0 to 1, 6S2 general electronic configuration. Actinide general electronic configuration 5F0 to 14, 6D0 to 2, 7S2 are called F log elements. These elements are metallic in nature and have high melting point. Their compounds are mostly colored. These elements also show variable oxidation state. Now see the tabular column here. So S block elements 1 and 2, that group 1 and 2 are called S block elements. S block elements, first group general electronic configuration NS1, second group general electronic configuration NS2. Then middle that element is a D block elements 3 to 12. 3 to 12 group are called D block elements. So the D block third group outer electronic configuration is NS2, N minus 1, D1. Okay. So NS2 2 plus 1 3. Next 4 NS2 2 plus D2, NS2 N minus 1 D2. Next 5 NS2 N minus 1 D power 3, 3 plus 2 5. Okay, outer electronic configuration is 5. Like that P block elements group 13 to 18 the group are called P block elements. P block element general electronic configuration starting from NS2 end to NP6. Okay, so 13th group means NS2 NP1, 2 plus 1 3. 14th means outer 4 electron, NS2 NP2. 15th NS2 NP3. Okay, so the next F log elements, lanthanides and actinides, that is trans. So this is a S block elements. This is a 1 and 2 S block elements, 3 to 12 D block elements, 13 to 18 P block elements, these two series, that is F block elements. Okay.